Okay, today we're in Saxe right off 78. We're about 25 to 30 minutes from Dallas. We are right next to Firewheel Mall. So we're in Saxe, kind of, but we're kind of on the border of Garland, really. So just barely in Saxe. This house is 2,000 square feet. It's sitting on 3.4 acres and it's listed at $540. So let's go look inside the house first and then we'll go to the backyard and take a look at the land. Okay, so we just got in the front door here and then immediately to your right after you walk in is the dining room / office area. So as you can see, this is a really long double room situation. It's really nice. And even if you wanted to revamp or knock down a couple walls, you could knock down this wall and then it would have an opening to the other living room. So that might be kind of nice. And then if you go straight, it leads into the living room with this really nice built-in. That is pretty. Ooh, look at that rug. So nice. This is a pretty big room. And then over to your right, beyond the entryway, is the little kitchen. I mean, it's really not that little. Here's the entire kitchen, granite countertops. Really nice big fridge, nice big pantry. I know they said that the value was not in the home, but I mean, it's pretty nice. Look at these floors. And then we've got the laundry here. We lead into kind of a pass-through bathroom. But it's a full bath because as you can see here, there's a shower. And then you get into a kind of storage room here with actually a lot of storage, another fridge. Look at all those cabinets, geez. And then here is where you go out to the garage. Oh wait, just kidding. That's actually how you get outside. So just kidding, we kind of saw that was not the entrance to the garage. In order to get to the garage, you have to come back through this little walk-through bathroom thing and then go to your left here. So it's kind of just off the kitchen. So let's take a look at the garage. So we've walked back out of the laundry, bathroom, garage, and the passageway to go outside. We're back in this kitchen just to give you a kind of bigger view of the kitchen. There's a lot of counter space, there's a lot of cabinets in here. It's bigger than it seems, actually, when you're kind of how it's coming out on camera. So we're gonna cut all the way across the family room and go over to the side with the bedrooms. All 3 bedrooms are on one side. Okay, so we're coming down this little hallway. There's a door frame here, but there's not a door, so you could always put one if you want separation between the living area and the bedrooms. All right, here's the first bedroom off to your left. This is the only one that does not have a bathroom attached to it, and it's pretty big too. Here's the bathroom that opens up to the hallway, and then you can go in it and head to the second side bedroom, which is over here. Also a decent sized bedroom for sure. And then if you hang a left, that's when you get to the master, which is big. This is a large room. And then the master bath. The master bath definitely needs some updates, but I mean, it's not a total loss like they're acting in the listing, I would say. There are a lot of personal items still in the closet, but that is a walk-in closet, and that is a linen closet for the bathroom. Okay, now we've seen the entire house. We're gonna head outside to the part that we're really excited about. All right, we've stepped out here onto the covered patio. There's kind of a little covered patio area here, but that area is pretty sweet. Outdoor grill, huge table to seat 12 people, and then look at that beautiful pool. That looks refreshing. Today is the actual hottest day of the year. It's 105. So I really, really want to jump in there. Little hot tub, which is honestly not little at all. And then there's another covered patio area over here. See the two. There's a play area over here for kids. And then this is the first barn, which is really large. We can't actually go inside. Oh wait, we can. So let's head in there. And then that is the other barn that we cannot go inside. Both huge. Wow, this is enormous. Okay, now we're out of the barn and we get to see the rest of the 3.4 acres in the back here. Most of it is in the backyard, I would say. So we're gonna walk out this little gate. And then once we walk out of the gate, when you go to your right, that's where you can see the other barn. I do think it's very similar in size to the one that we were just in. And there's even a little bit more side yard on that side, but this is a very flat 3.5 acres and it's not very treed. So it does feel like you have a huge yard back here. The only bad thing that I would mention is that 78, like Highway 78 is right here, and I can kind of hear it right now. I definitely can't hear it at all from the front yard though. And then the last thing to note here in the back is this little side yard that is to the left of your pool. And we're gonna go check that out. That's probably to keep animals if you have them, but we're gonna go see because I have not been over here yet. Okay, this part looks a little more shaded, thank goodness. I'm melting out here. Wow, this is really big. I was thinking, oh, it's just a little side yard. I don't know why I keep using the word little with this property, not a much is little on it. Okay, comment below what you thought, if you thought that the listing was correct in saying that the value was in the land, or if you actually like the house, or if you think this is just too big for you, or what you would do even if you had this much land, what animals you would have and all that. Also, if you're interested in touring this property or any others, email me or send me a private message on Instagram. Okay, thanks, bye.